Hello everyone, welcome to day 8 on AI Tools Navaratri Special. In this episode, we will learn a new tool called Granola AI, which will help you taking notes when you are busy with attending back-to-back online meetings. So this can work on Zoom, Gmeet, or any other meeting platform. So this will be available on Windows, Apple, and other operating systems as well. Only thing you have to do is you have to download an instance as shown in the screen. You can download it for Windows, install it, attach your official email ID to this, and then this will work for you. Let us take a simple demo on this now. So we will see now. This is a screen. I have an untitled meeting. I'll name it as say demo Granola. Yeah. So now what you can do is, as I told you, this is the screen from which you can download the instance of the software. Now let's go back to Granola. So let's imagine now I'm going to conduct a meeting to my students. There are so many other features, but right now I'm showing you only the demo of how to take the notes and summarize and enhance it. I'm going to conduct a meeting to with my students to give them a demonstration on the different subjects of computer science and engineering. Let's start the meeting. Anyway, since I had conducted meetings earlier, so these are the other transcripts, and let us resume with the new meeting. Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Department of Computer Science and Engineering. This is Dr. Bhavani Shankar, Professor in the Department of CSE. I'm welcoming you to the department. This meeting is all about giving you a detailed picture on different subjects that you're going to explore in 4 years of engineering. Starting with the programming language subjects such as C, C++, Python, Java, Julia, R. These are the subjects you'll be studying in detail along with the labs. We will have 10 to 15 experiments in each of the labs. Then coming to third semester, you'll study a course subject called data structures, wherein you will study the fundamentals of C again, and then you'll study pointers, structures, arrays in detail, then stacks, queues, linked lists, trees, graphs, and all these concepts. Along with the laboratory sessions, you will be studying this. Then in algorithms subject, you will study different algorithmic paradigms such as divide and conquer, decrease and conquer, then the greedy method, dynamic programming, branch and bound, backtracking, such algorithms you will be studying in detail along with the labs. In database management system, you will study different data models, then you will study SQL, then you will also study normalizations, then you will study transaction management, and all these subjects concepts you will be studying. In operating system subject, you will study CPU scheduling, process scheduling, then you will study memory management, secondary memory management, file handling, virtual memory concepts. All these subjects will be concepts will be studying. Even in machine learning, you will study different learning algorithms. There will be labs. There will be associated mini projects with each of these subjects. I hope you have got the brief of what are the subjects you are going to study. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. Let's imagine we have completed the meeting, which is a demo meeting. Definitely the meeting will not be like this, it will be more elaborated one, such meetings. Let's see, we have already completed this, the meeting. Now let us see what this Granola does for us. Now I would like to create, let's say, a template for this now to give me the answers. I will give the template as beginning, and give the template as let's see, the subjects that I discussed with the hashtag, and then I'll give the heading as ending. Okay. Now since this is a new template, now what I'll do is I'll go to the new template, right? So I'll ask let it be an untitled template, and I'll apply the template for this now. Now what is this doing? Since there was the content which is already generated, I will show you again. So this has created the beginning. It has given the beginning that I spoke about, the subjects, whatever I told, the programming language subject, data structures that I said, right, fundamental concepts I talked about. So it only has classified the concepts such as fundamentals and advanced. then in computer networks and artificial intelligence and machine learning. And I talked about labs, right? So since I had given it the hashtag, what are the labs I spoke about, that also it has given. And at the end, I actually told them in the meeting that I gave you a brief about it. It said comprehensive overview. I also welcomed. In the beginning, actually, I introduced myself, but it is at the end it is giving me that, welcome to RNSIT, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Dr. Bhavani Shankar. So best wishes extended to students for their academic journey, right? So this is the one, and now I think this is the minutes of the meeting that created. You can easily share this to any of you using the link is already there here. You can share this with any of them, right? So you can also add people to this meeting. There are so many other features. You can definitely get more of this. And also here you can see one thing. You can actually attach, if some of the if you have an agenda, you can attach the agenda and ask the AI to suggest, what are the things that you want me to talk in the meeting. There are so many such things, that can be done, right? You can also make the notes more concise. For example, if I do like this, so this is going to make the notes more concise. So this is the super simple version of the previous notes it has created, right? So I hope the results are very much visible on the screen, and this is going to be the turning point for most of the people who attend back-to-back meetings. I also understand the Zoom also has an AI component along with, and it also does the very similar job. So I request all of you to explore things and also share your experience with us, and use it and use more of such tools to make the routine job more efficient. Okay, I wish all of you the very best, and we have one more video left tomorrow. We will do that. Happy Navaratri once again, and thank you so much for watching this video.